So for the virtual learning, we've taken over Ryan's room, and we can see at the desk that we have the computer screen so that we can do our virtual learning. But then we also have a side screen so that we can have a lesson up on the primary screen, but have the video of the kids from the Zoom class on the left screen so we can see them. And then sometimes we're working on the Surface Pro, and so I have to bring that in. So that's not there all the time, but that has to be brought in. And then we have a clock over here so that we can see what time it is, because we have a schedule that we have to stick to for our classes, and so I've always got to be aware of what time class is getting to the end. And then of course in this classroom we have then the board that I've put up so that each day I can tell where I should be in which class and what I'm doing, keep track of where I go. And then of course Ryan's bed has been taken over by textbooks and papers and different files that I normally would have bookshelves and file cabinets in a classroom, but that has become the place for that kind of thing. And then on the other wall we have the whiteboard where I can do work if I'm not working on the Surface Pro. So on this particular day, instead of doing all that work and annotating on the Surface Pro, it was easier just to do it on a board. And then of course we see hanging down the green sheet that I drop down most of the time, and that becomes a green screen for the backdrop for my other classes. And so that is all the result of the virtual learning and the virtual teaching.